Hi guys, this is a 2015 Holden Commodore VF SV6 Sport Wagon in jungle green. Now this jungle green colour is my ultimate dream colour. So it's jungle green and I absolutely love this colour. I love this colour jungle green more than any other colour out there. So it's got your black bonnet protector. Here is your 3.6 litre V6 engine which cranks out 210 kilowatts of power and 350 newton meters of torque. It's got your LED daytime running lights and your front parking sensors, halogen headlights with black and silver treatment. Here are your 18-inch alloy wheels and all four tyres have stacks of tread left in them. Chrome fender vents. This car was built on the 19th of February 2015. Holden logbook. So, purchased Monday 30th of March 2015. I'll go through the service and warranty. So, lived in Brisbane Airport. Here's where it came from. Yep, purchased 30th of March 2015. Servicing. First service done on the 29th of October 2015 with 15,383 kilometres. Had any others, I wonder? Nope. They would have missed the service, I'd say, or two. 6th of June 2016, it had 30,776. 8th of May 2017, 40,844. 19th of February 2018, so the date turned 3 years old. You said 56,340 kilometres. 13th of November 2018, 70,994. 29th of September 2019, it had, I think that says 86,407. So 13th of June 2020 at 90,887. And 9th of May 2021, 114,209 kilometres. Leather here. Our plastics here not only feel good but look premium. Marble black finish here, door pockets. So, it's a sport wagon, so there's room in the boot. Rear parcel shelf. Here's your matching spare wheel. Rear parking sensors, reversing camera. It's also got 60/40 split folding rear seats, dual exhaust, it's the SV6. I've got room in the back, 2 map pockets, rear air vents, flip down centre armrest, 2 cup holders here, as you might be able to see, leather door trims, all 4 door cards are trimmed in leather. So moving to the driver's seats now, 4-way electric driver's seat. $114,565 kilometers. So, electric windows, electric mirrors, it's got your central locking. So it's got your electric power steering, your leather wrapped steering wheel, leather here, it's got airbags galore, overhead console, map reading lights, mirrors, but they aren't vanity, CD player for those people who still like CDs, infotainment system. Well, I wait for that to turn on. It's got your leather wrapped gear knob and 6-speed auto transmission. CD player, CD in here.
Joshua fought the battle of Jericho, Jericho, Jericho.
Someone left a CD in here, I'll reject that.
Avocado in half.
Leave that there. It's got Pandora, which is no longer available in Australia. Stitcher, USB, quick info, messages, tone, Bluetooth, iPod and USB. Turn that off now so I don't kill the battery. 12-volt socket. Dual electronic climate control and direction of air. 2 decent sized cup holders. USB and AUX in there, and a 12-volt socket in there too. Traction control, automatic parking, and you can turn your rear parking sensors off. Electronic parking brake, build quality is good. So, this is Jordan's car reviews, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and tap the notification bell, and please also like and share the video, and goodbye.